Today, the Senate held debate on a medical marijuana bill. It's something that's been up for discussion for years with no final action being taken. But this year, supporters hope that will change. Cassidy Byer has the story.
Well, today was the second day of debate on Senate floor for a bill that would legalize medical marijuana. And lead advocate of that bill, Senator Tom Davis, says they're right where they should be.
I think it was a very substantive day. And as I said earlier, opposition to a bill makes a bill better.
Once again, the discussion about legalizing marijuana for medical use is up for debate in South Carolina.
What you have is the Senate being very deliberative, the Senate looking at the language, the Senate making sure there aren't any unintended consequences. I think there is a substantial majority of senators that want to empower doctors, that want to provide cannabis safely to patients for treatment.
I'll be the first person to tell you that I was wrong on cannabis up until I watched it save my mother's life and countless other veterans' lives.
Cody Collerman, who became a hemp farmer after witnessing how cannabis has helped his mom, believes it's time to make a change to South Carolina law.
It's a pilot program. Let's get into this industry. Let's allow us to start treating, I think, up to 200,000 to 250,000 patients that would be eligible in South Carolina, see the effects it has, and then from there we can, slowly start opening up more medical issues as a qualified in order to get the medicine.
However, some believe the outcome will be similar to that of 2022, when a similar bill made it through the Senate but was unable to pass in the House, which, according to Davis, shouldn't happen again.
This is anything but rolling the dice. It is making the physician the gatekeeper. No patient can access cannabis unless that physician has a thorough inpatient diagnosis, consideration of all therapies, consideration of that patient's history, and that physician makes a determination that it's safe.
Reporting from Columbia, Cassidy Byer, News 19 WLTX.
The Senate will reconvene on Tuesday for further discussion, and a vote could come as early as next week. The Palmetto State is not alone when it comes to its restrictive marijuana laws. In North Carolina, medical and recreational marijuana is still illegal despite recent efforts to pass a medicinal bill. And in Georgia, marijuana is also illegal medically, but they allow the use of low THC oil made from marijuana to treat specific medical conditions.
Columbia